Hello everyone, welcome to the afternoon session and the Nifty expiry. Shivangi ma'am will be joining us soon. We on trend, Dixon, Lalpat Lab, Zomato. I can see questions coming in. So guys, as always, we'll start this session and focus more around the Nifty first. And if we have time and opportunity, then we'll take up the stock queries. We'll start the session with the Nifty outlook. If we have a good trade, we'll initiate with the trade. And at the end, if we have time, we'll give you the BTST and start taking some questions. Definitely guys, we will share our views on Biocon as well. अगर आपकी queries हम यहाँ पे नहीं answer कर पा रहे हैं, then please feel free to share it on Stockholm, where our expert team will be happy to help you all. Shivangi ma'am, welcome to your own session. I've sent you a request to join the stage. Please accept that. Ma'am, can you hear me? Shivangi ma'am, can you hear me? Yes, Anil ji, budget आ रहा है. Budget perspective से भी we'll definitely suggest you some stocks. Guys, I guess we are facing some issues. Just give us a moment. And no, Anuragji, you are not late. You have not missed anything. Last week I've taken crude oil losses 6,000. Raviji, but we had a profitable session. That was I was thinking last week we had a profitable session. And guys, please note today also at 6 p.m. we have a pre-natural gas expiry session, 6 to 6:30. And tomorrow at 4 p.m. we have a knowledge session on option strategies. Next Friday, we have a session on decoding derivatives with Ms. Shivangi Sharda. Balrampur Asian Pain. Yes, guys, next Friday, Shwangi ma'am will be taking a session on decoding derivatives. This Friday, we have a session on option strategies, part 2, where we will be covering the advanced option strategies from last session में cover नहीं किया था. Arpit Beriwal sir will be taking this session. So tomorrow we have 5 sessions. Today we have another session at 6 p.m. Shivangi ma'am, can you hear me now? Hello, Shivangi ma'am, can you hear me? Guys, we are just trying to figure out. Please, apologies and give us a minute. Dam capital on daily time frame. Raviji, we can't comment on anything related to Motilal Oswal. People have been asking about the SIP, about the share prices, and our opinion on it since many years, but we can't comment on our own stock because of the compliance guidelines. Shwangi ma'am, hello, can you hear me? Yes, ma'am, I can see you now. Can you hear me?
I Sorry, there was some technical glitch. We couldn't log in. We kept saying hi, but we couldn't hear you. But yeah,
We can hear you, ma'am. We can see you. Congratulations from entire family of Stockholm and all the members. You can see the love in the chat section as well. And I guess since
thank you
we're
so
already
much.
late by 7 minutes, I guess it's great if we can deep dive directly into the session.
Definitely, yes. Thank you so much. I'll just dive into what is happening in Nifty. Right. I'll just quickly share my screen. So, guys, volatility बहुत है and swings है. But I think this is a part of the stock market now, and this is a part of Nifty now. So we'll just, quickly dive in. Um, so let's just see what's happening in Nifty. So we've seen that on the daily basis, Nifty has been witnessing wild swings. बेयर्स के ग्रिप में तो है ही इंडेक्स कोई भी छोटे बाउंस में सेलिंग देखने को मिल रहा है बट लोअर लेवल पे बाइंग बहुत ही अच्छी नजर आ रही है सो टू थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग नाउ some buying is seen at the support levels but follow up is missing at the higher zones which is making the bulls and bears both very uncomfortable तो यहाँ पे हम सुबह से कॉल साइड में है बट स्विंग्स भी है बाउंस में हम देख रहे हैं कि देयर इज प्रेशर आल्सो so even though we are tracking the call side but we are also looking at the put side and jaise jo trade mile we capture and capitalize on that now uh, just letting you know we are tracking 23,150 call and we are tracking 23,300 put both simultaneously. We are tilted towards the call side because there is support based buying and fresh buying can be seen at these levels. But overall, pressure may have. So you can see I've just converted this into the 15 minutes frame chart. So it's kind of consolidating from the last this many candles and अगर hourly chart को देखे तो लास्ट के 2-3 घंटे से converting it into 15 minutes frame again. Now, if we talk about the perspective of the next half an hour, अगर हम बात करें तो 23,180 will be an important support. 23,180 का एक support है, इसको आप ध्यान रखो. And for the upside, right? I'm just repeating the levels 23,180 as the support and 23,350 levels on the upside as a hurdle. So ये इन हम ट्रेड करने की कोशिश करेंगे in the next half an hour to 45 minutes for the Nifty index. But overall, we are tracking and towards the 23,150 call side itself. Right. Okay. Now I'll just quickly share the view on Bank Nifty as well क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि banking index has been in pressure as well because of heavyweights. Banking index में यहाँ पे pressure है. Now the reason why HDFC Bank has dampened the sentiments is causing a lot of trouble for the Bank Nifty itself. So overall, swings swings will be there in Bank Nifty also, and we are expecting this to have an aftermath on Nifty. We are still tracking 23,150 call, which is right now at 75 for Nifty. But Bank Nifty में भी एक काफी underperformance है, and it's been consolidating from the last two sessions. कल का एक अच्छा pullback था, supports को भी respect कर रहा था, but overall heavyweights में strength नहीं है banking names में. Now surprisingly, some of the NBFCs and insurance based stocks are looking quite good. आप Muthoot Finance देख लो, some of the gold gold related finance companies जो है Manapuram and all, those are also looking good. But जो direct जो banking counters है, especially heavyweights, are witnessing some pressure. तो यहाँ पे थोड़े बहुत swings रहेंगे, and we're looking at 49,000 पे काफी call writers है, यानी कि इन levels पे काफी एक selling है. तो 49,000 क्रॉस करना काफी मुश्किल हो जाएगा इंडेक्स के लिए अभी. And on the downside, 48,350 is what we are looking as the support levels for Bank Nifty. So this is what Bank Nifty is expected to trade. Now, of course, coming back to Nifty, इसको अगर मैं 15 minutes frame देखूं तो somewhat recovery and pullback move can be seen over here. But overall, index is still in pressure. And even though यहाँ पे pressure है index में, consolidative mood है index में, but then of course we are seeing that there is some sort of option premiums sticky हो रखे हैं यहाँ पे. So overall यहाँ पे भी trade करना काफी tricky हो गया है. The 23,150 call is exactly trading at 75, and वो पिछले 10 मिनट से यही रेंज में ही चल रहा है, from the range of 73 to 77 levels. So 75 पे ही यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं ये trade कर रहा है. I hope my network is okay because I can't.
Confirm the strikes once. Nifty 23,150 call and 23,300 put.
Yeah, but we are tilted towards 23,150 call. हम tilt तो उधर ही रखते हैं, हमारा bias call के side ही है. But of course, we are tracking both of them to get a understanding of what's happening in the put side as well, to understand the mood of the market. But of course, we're tracking both the call and put. Now, interestingly, there has been some sort of stickiness in the option premiums. यहाँ पे time decay भी work नहीं कर रहा है from the last half an hour, which used to be in the case. 2 बजे के बाद हम काफी एक drop देखते थे call और put के premiums में. But time decay has happened right from the morning today, which is why पिछले 1-2 घंटे में हमें एक clear trade नहीं मिला है for index. Last time also, I remember last Thursday, a good swing was seen at 3:10 PM. तो मुझे काफी खराब लगा कि हमारा सेशन के बाद एक swing आया था. But then of course we'll keep tracking. We'll just see if we get lucky. Okay, so 23,230 is what Nifty is trading at right now, and range जैसे कि मैंने बोला 23,180 से 23,350 ये range हम expect कर रहे हैं in the next 45 minutes for Nifty. So this is what we can play the index for, right? हमने एक call और put दोनों ही track इसलिए किया है to understand where the decay is happening, because if there is a decay happening in the put side, then we have a clear conviction on the call side. But we are continuously tracking the 23,250, 23,300 put as well. But यहाँ पे भी कुछ ज़्यादा decay वैसे देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. So okay. I'm seeing a lot of messages of congratulations. Thank you so much, guys. It's your love that keeps me going. Thank you so much for your best wishes. right? Okay, coming back to Nifty. Uh, okay, 23 to 30 काफी एक important level यहाँ बन रहा है, which is where the index is getting a little stuck. But again, yes, we are tracking both of them. Uh, so right now, 23 150 call is at 70 rupees. And I believe if मतलब अगर यहाँ ये कॉल पे थोड़ी बहुत डिप आ जाए 60 के आसपास तो हम काफी कंफर्टेबल हो जाएंगे इन टेकिंग दिस ट्रेड सो वी शुड वेट फॉर दिस you know call to decay a bit. Okay, so we are seeing that put is also not showing a lot of movement here. 23 300 का जो put है वो भी अभी फिलहाल 80 के आसपास चल रहा है. So हम देख रहे हैं कि 5 to 7 rupees के swings में ही चल रहा है index and it's become quite tricky here because the time decay has completely happened in the first half today, which is making the index a little stuck here. Overall, so guys, one thing is for sure कि budget आने वाला है and we are trading at India VIX which is above 16.5 levels, which is making the index and the bears very comfortable. India VIX is not going down. It's still trading at a very higher level, hovering at a very higher level. So इसके वजह से over here. But till the time India VIX is above 15 levels, such sort of swings will be there. And ये हम rule out नहीं कर पाएंगे. Such volatility will continue to be there, right? Okay, so right now 23 150 call is at 70 rupees, still stuck there. 68 चल रहा है अभी. तो हम वही exactly वही track कर रहे हैं to be able to find out a trade. Now Nifty has cooled down by 10 points, but the option premium has went only uh, 4 to 5 rupees right now. So this is also like a um, observation that we can make here. Right. Okay. What we are seeing over here is that call premiums are kind of out of the money call premiums जो है वो अब melt होना शुरू कर रहे हैं, which indicates that यहाँ पे इतनी ज़्यादा strength हम expect नहीं कर सकते in the next 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. मिस्टर स्टॉकहोम दो आ गए आज कोई लिख रहा है. यस, आज मार्केट मूवमेंट्स काफी वाइल्ड है, इसलिए काफी लोग चाहिए हमें मार्केट्स को ट्रैक करने के लिए. So I'm seeing a lot of stock queries as well, but हम index की trades find out करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So I'm just trying to kind of focus here as of now. The 23 150 call has melted to 65 right now. I'll just अगर ये 60 के आसपास आता है and the index holds above 23 200, then we will take a call option in this. So two conditions here: if Nifty holds above 23 200 and if the 23 150 call melts to 60 levels. तो ये दो conditions हम track करेंगे and only then we'll take a call here, call option buy, right? There is a lot of movement in the put happening. So put has moved by a good 7 to 8 points here. Lot size increase हो गए Nifty के, and from the time lot size has increased, we have seen that there has been a lot of swings in the market, and उसके वजह से काफी premiums जो है वो jump भी हुए हैं. But of course, it's the nature of the market, and we've seen this kind of wild swings. So the markets have been little difficult और मेरा यह मानना है कि next 1 week तक ऐसे ही difficulty रहेगी. So you know what you should do is you should completely hedge your positions right now and you know you should take your trades accordingly कि आप ज़्यादा risk exposure नहीं लो अपने portfolio में अपने trading portfolio में especially, right? Okay, I'm just kind of tracking both the sides today. And all right. So I'll just quickly make it 5 minutes interval. तो ये आप चार्ट देखो अगर ये 5 minutes interval का मैंने कर लिया है. There is some pullback at 23,200 levels से. Now it's just important that it holds these levels. So 23,150 का call option हम देख रहे हैं, which is near about 62 right now. So what we can do is, it's a little bit of a high risk trade actually at these levels, but 23,150 call को हम देख सकते हैं in the range of 60 to 65 for the next up move towards 70 to 75 levels. So काफी छोटा trade है. So I would advise actually कि आप trade actually hedge करके लो अगर आपको लेना है. It's advisable कि आप ऐसे highly volatile markets में थोड़ा carefully ही trade करो. That is what is advisable. And we at Stockholm, of course, and Motilal Oswal, we recommend कि हम risk reward अगर हमारा favorable है तो ही हम trade करें, because obviously we want that हमारे सबका capital preserve हुए. 23,150 call is ranging near 62 to 67 levels, तो काफी यहाँ पे swings है. And swings are actually a lot because of you know the bigger lot size also. So it is a little tricky today. 23,250 put is also seeing a lot of movement here. सुबह से हम देख रहे थे कि there was a lot of buying, so we were on the call side. You can see this is the hourly frame, and this is what the Nifty looked like from the morning. From the lower levels, there has been quite a good, you know, buying from these levels, but overall, काफी swings रहे हैं. So, guys, I think there are a few takeaways since the next week is also going to be very crucial. So till the time India VIX is above 15 levels, आपको trades काफी carefully रखने हैं अपने, and you have to remain hedged in your portfolio and your trading portfolio as well. Baskets के साथ ही आप trade करो अगर आप stocks में भी trade कर रहे हो, and avoid the small and the mid cap stocks as of now. You can focus on the heavyweights because of the markets being in such a lot of a pressure. तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि mid cap stocks जो है वो काफी susceptible होंगे trend changes के लिए. तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें safer options या safer stocks के साथ ही play out करना है. We have to wait for India VIX to cool down. We have to wait for the budget and the event volatility to come down. तभी आप अपने portfolio को safeguard करें. In the meantime, for your investment journey, you know, start picking up good stocks. Next week हमारे काफी sessions रहेंगे, which will be around the monthly expiry and around the budget. तो उस पे भी आप focus कर सकते हो. How to plan your trades for the next week and how to plan your so इन सारी चीजों को लेके आप you know carefully plan out करो अपनी trade. It's the first month of the year and you don't want to end up in red. So be very careful. Now index is holding above 23,200 levels, but call में काफी हम देख रहे हैं कि there is some pressure and it's not kind of giving any signs of reversals. अगर हम 5 minutes frame भी करें तो यहाँ पे एक पुल बैक है, बट वील हैव टू सी हाउ सस्टेनेबल एट दिस. नेगेशन यहाँ पे देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है ऑन द 5 minutes फ्रेम, which is making the entire setup a little tricky over here. So I would suggest stay light, guys, and remember all these points for the next week, monthly expiry as well as the event volatility. तो ये दोनों चीज को लेके आप ध्यान रखो and stay safe.
So guys, that will be all for today's session. We couldn't get any trade, but saving our capital is more important. We have a commodity expiry session today at 6 p.m. pre-natural gas session. So don't forget to join that. And tomorrow again we have 5 sessions: the morning 9:30 a.m. session, 11:30 a.m. session, then 2:30 p.m. session. 4 to 5 we have a knowledge session on option strategies part 2, and then at 6 p.m. we have a commodity expiry. That will be all. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you, Shivangi ma'am.